The government is again labeling the e-commerce national delivery system ENDS a success after the holiday weekend's expansion to other parishes. But even as the pilot was extended, there are mixed reactions from the parties involved.
After last weekend's pilot in Portmore St. Catherine, ENDS was extended to Kingston and St. Andrew, the rest of St. Catherine and St. James. There have been praises for the system from food providers, including jerk vendors, fast food restaurants, and even the operators of tourist attractions who have adjusted their business model to now include deliveries.
We would be closed. We would be totally shut down. And the ENDS has given us the opportunity to make a sale. I brought some people back to work for the weekend. And people been responding. I've even gotten calls from overseas to send food to people down here. So that's maybe something that will be long lasting in terms of business that we didn't have before.
All good for the providers. However, there is some disquiet among the other two groups in the system, the delivery service providers and the customers. The ENDS webpage lists several delivery providers. However, there have been complaints from independent deliverers who say larger entities are not only getting the bulk of the orders, but are also given preferential treatment. This biker says while one company gets to go into this restaurant to pick up orders,
and we have to be outside in the rain trying to order the stuff. This is unfair.
For the most part, it is the customer who chooses which delivery entity he or she wants to use. But then some customers have been complaining. On social media, the delivery cost is the greatest concern. There are complaints that a 20% delivery fee, coupled with 15% GCT, does not make the option an economical alternative for middle-income families. Some say delivery charges should be capped. Another indicated that despite not being a regular cook, the delivery cost makes cooking a better option. On his Twitter page, Minister without portfolio in the National Security Ministry, Matthew Samuda, reminded persons that the government does not charge for use of the ENDS portal, but that it's a free directory which allows citizens to contact approved business. Kodian Barrett, TVJ News.